Hi guys, this is Shahnawaz Kareem and today we are going to talk about the accessories that BMW Motorrad India is providing with all of the motorcycles. So stay tuned. I will share with you all of the information over here. BMW Motorrad started its India operation around 2017-2018, and from that time they have come a long way in successfully launching a lot of their adventure category motorcycles, the super sport motorcycle, some touring motorcycle, as well as city riding motorcycle. They even launched their entry level motorcycle, which is the G310 GS and the G310R. With this range of their motorcycles, they have been able to launch in India. However, we have seen a lot of guys using various other accessories, but they have also launched the full range of their accessories, which constitutes of over 170 products which are inside their catalog. If you own a BMW motorcycle, you must be thinking what all ways you can customize your motorcycle according to your needs. So which is why BMW Motorrad had been very thoughtful about it in putting together the accessories as well as riding apparel for you as a rider. These apparel and accessories are not just made for the looks, they are very functional from a structural perspective. Like take for example, a riding suit which is designed for the GS is specifically designed around GS because it contours through the windshield, how the windshield had been designed, so the air should come in that same way. So which is why it becomes imperative for you to try these accessories so that you understand how these accessories are working in tandem with the motorcycle. Before we move on to show you on what all accessories are available at one of the dealerships, I would want you to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel so that you can stay updated with all our videos as soon as possible. So there are over 170 different kinds of products inside the catalog, and let me show you some of the products which are hanging on one of the dealerships. So here is the riding jackets, riding pants, gloves, which constitutes of the apparel. However, if you move towards the next section, which is the accessories, you can see the exhaust system, the baggage system, the gloves system, as well as the storage system. So there are two different kinds of storage system, one on the tank, one at the rear, and various other different kinds of storage and accessories. So these accessories also added to the motorcycle, which gives the motorcycle extra punch, which is like the exhaust, or even some look and feel, which is the lights, and some protective accessories, which is for like the engine cover or the engine head cover. So with these accessories, you can not just customize your motorcycle, but also protect and make it yours. So guys, how was your experience about these accessories? I'm sure this is just a few accessories which I have been able to show to you. However, there's a lot more which are available on all of the BMW showrooms. So please go ahead and see which accessories fits your budget as well as which accessory fits your motorcycle so that you can make your motorcycle very unique. So don't forget to hit like, subscribe and bell icon so that you stay tuned with all our updates and instantly notified for each and every new videos that we are churning out every day. So see you soon. Bye bye.